show you how to very easily deploy and share your Python apps online. In this case, I'm going to show you Dash, but it could work with any other app framework. So this is a normal Dash app from here to here. It just has a very simple callback that, select colors, we'll see it now. The magic happens here, which we'll get back to in a moment. I just want to show you very quickly how easy it is. So this is a file hosted on GitHub. We go to the raw, the actual file of URL of the file. So let me grab it. And from the command line, as you can see here, I have nothing. The only thing I have is UV installed. I'll show you later how you can do that. So all I have to do now is UV run, and this is the URL that I copied, app.py, and boom, the app is running on localhost. Let's see, there you go. So this is on localhost, the server is running, the interactivity is there. You can do all the options that you want, and here's the server, as you know. Now I go hit Control-C, again it's empty, and everything is back to normal. So what UV does is it downloads this file temporarily and looks at this inline metadata section. So it realizes that we need Python 3.12 or greater, so it obtains it somehow. We don't care how, from my computer, from the internet. It resolves these dependencies, installs them, and creates a virtual environment with these, activates it, and runs this code. Once I hit Control-C, it just deletes the environment and everything, all the setup. And as you can see, and you saw, very fast. So this is a great and very easy way to share apps with others. There's no server, there's nothing happening. It runs on their computer, but you can host these files online. So if you want more, there's a link here on how to run Python scripts with UV, how to install it, how to create it from scratch, instructions for Windows, Linux, and Mac, and finally a full example with another thing that you might want to explore. So yeah, I hope you like this. Thank you very much.